Hello! In today's video lesson, I'll show you how to fix NVIDIA control panel, display settings, or not showing. But first, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any helpful tutorials. Let's now start. To insert proper connection of your NVIDIA graphics card, navigate to Windows Start button. Then the Device Manager and select Expand Display Adapters. The display settings in the video panel are not visible unless connected to your computer. To access them, update your video graphics card drivers by launching GeForce Experience. After downloading the second set, contact the support team for further assistance if it's not visible still to see the display settings in the NVIDIA control panel. To resolve the issue, navigate to the NVIDIA Android Services app and right-click and select Properties for the NVIDIA Display Container LS and NVIDIA Local System Containers. The startup type should be in Automatic. If the service stops, choose Start. Then, close it. Restart your PC, and the display settings should be visible. That's all for now, everyone. Thanks for watching.